In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Now this should be a quick and easy process video, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First, you cannot try unofficial methods to play Roblox on your Switch. There is no official Roblox app for the Nintendo Switch, so you can follow these steps and check if it works for you. You can go to Nintendo Switch home screen, select System Settings, choose Internet and then Internet Settings. After that, select your network and choose Change Settings. Switch DNS settings from automatic to manual. Enter this code at step 6 as you can see. Then change the secondary DNS. Then save and connect. After the Switch BRU DNS page appears, select Useful Links. Find roblox.com and log in with your account. And after that, you should be good to go. So this was how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. As always, thank you for watching.